Alright, so I was going through all my SD cards because I was kind of cleaning out house from the past because I'm kind of just starting over, and I found some videos of pheasant hunting that I had because I went a few times this year, but not as much as the years before because I was chasing after deer. It was one thing that I was after that I wanted to get to and wasn't able to, but I'm gonna take these video clips, I'm gonna make it into a video. The 2 clips are from pheasant opener and from taking my brother out on youth opener, so hope y'all enjoy. You guys ready?
Yep. That girl heavy. Come on, sis. I know, they're back further.
You guys ready? Oh gosh.
Yeah.
That's where they get wild, wear them stuff out before they even go. Yep.
Calm down.
Burn all the energy.
Super hat.
Put your hat. Okay. So we'll have you in the middle of me and Brayton.
Are we going over there?
Yeah. There you come. There you go.
A little food plot here in the middle of this CRP. It's kind of nice. Hoping there's going to be some birds in here feeding in the morning. Right there. There he went.
On the farm.
Yeah. Hen.
Can I shoot behind us?
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like down here.
Yeah. Oh, there was a rooster.
How did it see us?
We're talking. Found them all. Holy moly.
Yeah, wait.
That was a lot of birds. A lot of birds. Nice little rest bench there. You tired? Ready? Alright, so the next spot that we're doing is public, but it's only for youth hunters, so we're gonna try it out. Rooster! You ready? That was you.
Cheers, bud.
Hey, rooster! And look at all that grass. Alright everybody, today it's the opener of pheasant season. Upland, it's Upland Day, baby. So it opens up throughout all Iowa. And wild thing is I woke up super early to come to this spot, about 40 minutes early, and people are already out. So it's usually just opener that it's like this crazy. Everyone like hunts a few times and then they're done because it starts to get cold. But now I'm kind of speeding to get to this other spots. Hope there's no one there. We have a few other spots. My dad's checking another spot, so I don't know. I didn't expect anybody to be there that early. Usually there's like no one up that early. Usually they're there right at like 7:50 because you can hunt at 8. But anyways, I got about a 10-minute drive to this spot, so I'll see you guys when we get some footwork in. All right, so finally met it. We had to start at private. We like to start at public and then go to our private, but it's not how it went today. So we're running 3 dogs and then 3 adults and 1 youth. So hopefully we got to get it pretty good. We're right next to a windmill, so it might be a little loud, but I'll try to voice it over. Straight all the way.
How do you get this out?
Yep.
I saw it run. It was like right here.
You saw it?
I could see the bushes moving, but I couldn't tell if it was Naya or the bird. Kind of looked like heaven, but it was like just the bushes.
And
I'm gonna go on there.
pop it. Are you
Hey, nah, come. No. Come on. Come on, stay close. Nah, come. Nah, come. Ready, be ready. Good girl. Tell her no so she don't chase it.
Nope. Nope.
Hey, no, hey,
No.
what's that over there?
No. No. Come.
Bad shot. Man. Well, had to get some more shells. We're gonna do one more walk through this private ground. Pretty much doing all private today. Public's been pretty much taken care of. So yeah, we're hitting our private ground. We're gonna do like an X one more time through this private, and then I think we're gonna be done today. So hopefully we at least get 1 bird through the group. The shoot to kill ratio is not very good. Outdoor Store is gonna love us again this year with the getting shells. And Rooster!
Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice shot, Sean.
Who was that?
Sean. Nice. Woo! Atta girl.
That was even close, and I would have had a hard time finding
That was a young bird.
Yeah, it was. I know. That was it. That was close, and I about didn't find it. I was over there 5 feet.
I didn't see the white for a minute.
Going back.
Yep.
I had a perfect view on it. Might be another one in that dip. Good job, Naya.
Nice job. Good girl, Naya. Nice shot.
Thanks. That's the rooster you hit.
Yep. Oh, gosh. Finding birds.
Bring Naya here.
Feather. There was a feather there. Yep. Got him. Ah! Oh. Yeah, it's like heaven. Oh. Was. Now I got it. I hit it twice, still running. Six. I got 4 now. I switched.
Definitely locked on.
Right there.
No.
Yep, he got it. He got it.
Go get it. Still might be one in front of me, guys.
That's a tiny rooster.
I'm on the back chase.
Are we gonna go help him?
Did he hit it hard?
The second shot, yeah. The first one, he winged it.
You rolled it with a second?
Yep. Find a bird, Heavy. Heaven, come on, find a bird. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, Heavy?
Running? Drop! Is it running? Yeah.
Good girl, Heavy.
Where'd it run from? Over there. There,
Where we were.
to the left.
Nice.
Bring its neck. Did you get used to it?
What's on her head? Oh, got one.
You can't hurt you. The only thing can hurt you is the feet.
Good girl, Heavy. That's what you're good for. He's a good dog. That's what we have you for, puppy. That's what you have me for.
I need one more.
Get ready, she's slowed down. She just slowed down a lot by my dad.
That's about where they're at. That's why I thought it'd be good to have them.
Should have dropped right here. Where's the heavy? Right here, I got it. I don't know, it was between me and you. That one was dead.
What are you shooting?
Steel.
I got leg. We'll find out when we get home. It was close to both of us.
We shot at the same time? Yeah.
We might have both did it too. It was damn close. You know what I mean?
Go girl, yeah.
Did he shoot at that?
Malachi shot the first, yeah.
At least he got a shot.
Nice. That might have been you, Malachi. That might have been you.
I shot right here.
Oh.
Yeah, I shot it at the end. Who shot it?
Dad, at first.
Oh, Mom, bro. Yeah, it's yours. I'll carry it for you. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't getting away.
I thought it was Malachi. I thought you got the... He was real close. Good job, baby!
I want to see that meat too. Oh. Found a deer, man.
Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hen!
What's going on? Find the birds. That's what I see.
Look at it, you guys found some shade? You guys find some shade?
What did we get? 6?
6 birds.
Are you done? I'll walk right back to you. Our dogs are done though. Come on, Greg. Get your 3. Get up.
Come here.
Gotta get a picture of that.
Limited out. 7 birds. 7 birds, huh, hubby? You found a couple.
Come here.
Nice.
No, that's Maya.
7 birds.
Evan.
Well, this morning it did not look very good at all. There was just, I think, did we even have one in the morning? I can't even remember. I think maybe we had one in the morning. Yeah, we did have one right before noon. And then we came back after lunch and just put the hammer to them. It's pretty wild. I'm glad that it didn't end up being as the morning was going to be a disappointment. It ended up to be a good day. I mean, it's good to be back in the field, but it's good to see the bird numbers that there is. So hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, because we do a lot of upland hunting here. We also do waterfowl and everything else, hunting and fishing. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, smash the like button. See you guys on the next one. Peace.